Audio sync 1, 2, 3. Hi everyone. This is going to be a short one. It's very windy outside. What I do want to show you quickly is what I use for camping lights. Now these are, sorry, I've got to use the mic, the wind is horrific. These are ordinary 12 volt LED lamps. You get the fitting and they've got two wires, and then I've just attached the normal flex wire with the common, well, we call it a lighter plug, but I guess it's got a different name now because cars don't come with lighters anymore. But anyway, this is what I use. And then of course you get these lighter plug or DC outlet jack to multiple outputs, and that allows you to use 3 lights on one jack. So what then basically happens is you plug it into the lighter plug and you can hook it or hang it wherever you want to use it. Now I've used these, well, this is the only ones I use. I've got about 3 of them and they give sufficient light, and it's a lot cheaper to maintain than the battery type. I guess you get rechargeable lights these days, but that is what I use for lighting. I hope this helped. You guys must enjoy. Till tomorrow, goodbye.